Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Tpxinxin Multimedia player in this video? I will show you the top 3 best Tpxinxin Multimedia players to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Tpxinxin Ford F150. Specifications: brand name Tpxinxin, DIN 1 DIN, RAM 4G, interface USB, item size 12-inch, model name High XP, operating system Android 11, item weight 4 kilograms, voltage 12 volts, screen size 12-inch, resolution 1024 by 600, RAM 8 gigabytes, material type ABS. The item number 2 is Tpxinxin Car Radio Multimedia Player. Specifications: brand name Tpxinxin, RAM 6G, resolution 1024 by 768, interface USB, max external memory 128G, material type ABS. Special features: Bluetooth, built-in GPS, mobile phone, MP3 players, radio tuner, TV. Item size 12-inch. Item weight 4 kilograms. Resolution 1024 by 768. Voltage 12 volts. RAM 4 gigabytes. Max external memory 128G. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Tesla screen for Dodge. Specifications: brand name Tpxinxin, RAM 4G, resolution 1024 by 768, ROM 128G, material type ABS, operating system Android 11, item weight 4 kilograms, voltage 12 volts, screen size 12.1 inches, resolution 1024 by 720, voltage 12 volts, material type ABS.